All the water on Earth today is the same as it was 4.6 billion years ago. The amount of water on our planet has never changed. It means the water molecules we drink or bathe in are older than the solar system itself. The same water is flowing in a continuous loop connecting the ocean, land, and the atmosphere in a process we call the water cycle. Stick around to learn more about this. Water is unique because it's the only thing on Earth that naturally occurs in all three states: solid, as ice, glaciers, and snow; liquid, as water; and gas, as water vapor. And it can change states quite easily. In nature, the heat from the sun warms the water and turns it into a gas called water vapor. Water vapor rises into the air, and this process is called evaporation. Evaporation accounts for 90% of the moisture in the Earth's atmosphere. The other 10% is due to plant transpiration. Transpiration is the process where plants absorb water through the roots and then give off water vapor through pores in their leaves. Even though the atmosphere doesn't hold as much water as oceans, the atmospheric river is the largest river on our planet, and it transports water from one corner of our planet to the other. These rivers in the sky transport most of the water vapor outside of the tropics. Water from puddles, lakes, ponds, rivers, oceans, plants evaporates and moves up higher and higher in the sky, where it starts to cool down, turning back into tiny droplets of liquid water in the sky. This is known as condensation. It is the reason you see big fluffy clouds floating over your head. As these tiny drops of water keep gathering, they become too heavy to stay in the air and return back to the land as rain, snow, or hail. This is called precipitation. Water that falls on the land surface as snow, rain, or hail is stored within snowpacks, rivers, lakes, reservoirs, underground aquifers, absorbed by the soil and plants. Eventually, the water will evaporate to the atmosphere or return to the ocean in streams and rivers. The way water keeps changing its state, as we just saw, is called the water cycle. 71% of our planet is water. 97% of all the water on Earth is in the oceans, and just 3% is freshwater. Out of that 3%, only 1% is available for all living organisms on land, including us, to survive. The big blue circle on this picture represents all of the water on our planet. That includes saltwater and freshwater. The smaller circle represents the freshwater on our planet, including the water locked in glaciers and underground water. The tiniest dot represents the accessible freshwater that humans, plants, and animals can get to. Now you can imagine how little fresh water we have to survive. Thanks for watching. Press like if you liked this video, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel to be the first one to know our future videos. See you next time.